Welcome to the onboarding tutorial. In just a few moments, your workspace will be fully configured and ready for campaign launch. To begin, navigate to the AITube Business Center at business.aitube.app. Workspace type and objective. Select brand or company to establish a dedicated profile for launching individual campaigns. Or choose marketing agency to manage multiple client accounts from a unified workspace. For this guide, we will proceed with the recommended brand or company option. Next, define your primary objective by selecting an option such as running an experimental pilot campaign, building brand awareness, generating qualified leads, or driving direct sales. Once chosen, click Continue. Business identity. Enter your official brand or company name. Provide your website or application URL. Select your relevant industry category from the drop-down menu, then click Continue. Location and legal information. Configure your regional settings, which ensure accurate invoicing, compliance, and localized campaign targeting. Use the auto-detect feature or manually select your country and city. Enter your registered business address, legal entity name, and applicable tax identification number before proceeding. Primary contact details. Enter your full name and official work email address to receive critical campaign and billing alerts. Specifying your role within the organization is optional. Provide a direct phone number and enable notifications for product announcements, billing alerts, and real-time campaign performance updates. Review and confirmation. Carefully verify the submitted information across each section. Once validated, click Complete Setup to finalize your profile and access the platform.